Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked for each function f whose graph is given, state the value of each quantity if it exists. If it does not exist, explain why. So first we have the limit as x approaches 1 of f of x. So x equals 1 is right here. We can see that at this point, the function is approaching it from the left and the right. This point has a y value of 2, therefore the limit of the function is equal to 2. For x is equal to 3, we see that that's right here. The limit as x approaches 3 from the left, we see is coming down here. The function goes up and it approaches this point as we get closer and closer to x is equal to 3. This point has a y value of 1, therefore the limit is equal to 1. From the right, the function is approaching this point right here, which has a y value of 4. Right? The minus sign means we're coming from the left. The plus sign means we're coming from the right. The limit as x approaches 3 of f of x is looking for a point at which the function is approaching from both sides. That does not exist here, therefore there is not a limit. If the limit as x approaches some value from the left and right do not exist, the overall limit does not exist. This does not mean that f of 3 doesn't exist, because we see this solid point means that a function exists here, which means at a y value of 3, f of 3 equals 3. This is opposed to the open circle, which means that the function goes all the way up to this point, but then stops before actually getting there.